Hi everyone, welcome back to the Legal Mint. And if you're planning to do CS and LLB both together, then this video is for you. In today's video, we'll be discussing the pros and cons of doing both the courses together because I am also in the 4th year of law school and doing CS as well. So I can suggest you more betterly whether you should do both the courses together or not. So let's discuss the advantages first, and before we move ahead, please subscribe to my channel. So guys, आपके पास 2 डिग्रीज होंगी तो जिसकी वजह से आपकी जो चांसेस हैं ज्यादा बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज की वो इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे एज कम्पेयर टू अदर्स, एंड दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स डू बोथ द कोर्सेज टुगेदर. Now the second advantage is that you will get a high paying job at a very early stage of your career because many companies prefer the candidates who have done both the degrees. So this is also one of the major advantage. Third advantage is that you will have more knowledge as compared to those who have done only one degree, which also increases your chances of getting selected in the companies. And the fourth advantage is that you will have the better opportunities because you have done 2 professional degrees, and your chances of attracting more opportunities increases as compared to others. And 50% of the competition will automatically reduce. And the fifth advantage is that you will have 2 career options at the end. So these are few of the advantages of doing both the courses together. Now let's move to the disadvantages, and the major problem that you will face is maintaining your attendance because law colleges demand 75% attendance, which is very irritating. So I would suggest you to choose colleges where there is no attendance issue because maintaining 75% attendance is not easy at all and also not possible. The second problem that you will face is exam clash because I have experienced this thing. Many times both courses exams fall on the same day, due to which you have to choose one of the exams. Third major issue would be time management because in law college you have to make your assignments, you have to give presentations, as well as there are so many competitions as well, and managing all these things with your CS preparation is quite difficult. Fourth major problem is diversion of focus. Sometimes you won't be able to manage both the things together because both are the professional courses. That's why it's quite difficult to manage both, but not impossible because I'm also managing both the courses together. So you can also do it. And the last is mental health issue. Sometimes you might feel burnout or you might feel exhausted. But guys, believe me, it will be worth doing both the courses together. So I would suggest you to go for it and try to manage, because if I can do it, you all guys can do it very easily. So guys, I'm also planning to make another part of the same video where I'll be covering the rest of the topics. So please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned.